Air, much required for combustion, enters the system through snorkel, which is located on right backside of the cabin. This air contains impurities present in surrounding air. To remove the impurities, this air is allowed to pass through the air filter assembly. Air filter assembly consists of two elements, namely primary element, the bigger one, and secondary element, the smaller one. Purified air then enters the turbocharger. Engine is equipped with wastegate turbocharger. A turbocharger is run by the exhaust gases. Its main function is to compress air and force it into engine. Thereby, fuel can be burnt completely and thus more power can be generated. The wastegate is a small valve which is used to control the amount of boost the turbocharger makes. It opens at a predetermined limit to allow surplus exhaust gas to bypass the turbine and expel through the exhaust pipe once the boost limit is reached. At the same time, electric feed pump sucks the fuel from the fuel tank. The feed pump is located behind the water separator. Fuel contains moisture. Water separator filters it out. If water is allowed to enter further through the system, it corrodes the parts and affects the FIP, resulting in low fuel economy. Compressed air through turbocharger enters the intercooler. An intercooler is used to cool the compressed air, which has been heated due to compression. Cooled and compressed air is more dense and thus generates more power. This air is then transferred to intake air manifold and finally to cylinder. After water separator, fuel is passed through a fuel filter. The fuel filter separates the impurities present in the fuel. After the filter, fuel enters the fuel injection pump. Fuel injection pump injects definite quantity of fuel into cylinder according to firing order 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4 through injectors. The injection pump is gear driven from the engine camshaft. Six-cylinder inline engine works on diesel cycle. Suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. Air is sucked into cylinder. Air is trapped into the cylinder and compressed due to upward movement of piston. Fuel gets injected and power is generated. Burnout gases are forced out of cylinder. About 60% of pumped fuel is not utilized for injection. This fuel flows back to tank. Excess fuel from each injector, from FIP and from fuel filter travels to tank continuously. Exhaust gases developed at cylinder gets fed to turbocharger through exhaust manifold, and after rotating the turbocharger rotor, it gets expelled to the atmosphere through tailpipe. Coolant from radiator is sucked by water pump located on front side of engine. In the travel, it passes through oil cooler and cools the engine oil. Water pump is gear driven and runs continuously while engine is running. This coolant then fills the gallery present around the cylinder liner, cooling the hot liners. Then, coolant flows to cylinder head lower half through galleries provided in the engine cylinder block. This used coolant then comes out into the water pipe located on the right side of engine. Similarly, from gallery, coolant flows to air compressor cooling, and this coolant also gets connected to water pipe through hoses. The thermostat is equipped in the engine to maintain the engine working temperature. The thermostat is a valve that measures the temperature of the coolant, and if it is not hot enough, the flow to the radiator is blocked and fluid is directed to a bypass system that allows the coolant to directly return back to water pump. And once it is hot enough, it opens to allow the coolant to flow through the radiator and get cooled. As coolant gets hot, it expands. Since the cooling system is sealed, this expansion causes an increase in pressure in the cooling system. When coolant is under pressure, the temperature at which the liquid begins to boil is considerably higher. This pressure, coupled with the higher boiling point of ethynyl glycol, allows the coolant to safely reach temperatures in excess of 250 degrees Celsius. The degassing tank's pressure cap is a simple device that maintains pressure in the cooling system. It is the reservoir of the coolant. Any loss of coolant is compensated from stock available in degassing tank. Vehicle is fitted with viscous fan whose speed gets adjusted according to temperature of the air passing through radiator. Fan sucks the air from surrounding. This air passes through the radiator and cools the hot coolant passing through it. Radiator is having large number of fins, which increases the surface area while expediting the cooling. Lubrication system of engine is combination of splash and forced lubrication. From sump, oil gets splashed on lower half of the engine block and through oil pump gets sucked and forced into galleries. This oil flows to oil cooler and gets cooled. This cooled oil then passes through oil filter. From there, it gets divided into two directions. One goes into external tubes for cylinder head upper half lubrication and cooling for rocker arms and valve stems. And second goes into gallery connected to piston cooling injectors. Oil travels to right side of engine for turbocharger bearing lubrication. And from turbocharger, it gets back to sump through return line.